Edo hold victory parade for Obaseki. In dismiss Iyamu and Oshiomhole congratulatory message. Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki don lead Edo people, party faithful and other supporters for victory parade across major streets and roads for Benin City to celebrate im victory for Supreme Court. The Supreme Court 5-man panel of justice on May 28, 2021 uphold the ruling of Appeal Court wey dismiss the accused certificate forgery suit wey the All Progressive Congress (APC) filed against the governor during the 2020 governorship election. Obaseki, when e dey follow with tori pipo talk, come thank God for everything, say dem win to the glory of God as e be say no be their doing. Say for Edo, the victory mean freedom. E mean for dem to rededicate themselves to Edo people as e be say democracy na for the people, not be for individuals or godfathers, as dem don finally defeat godfatherism for Edo State.
First and foremost, we have to thank God because the truth never changes. You are all witnesses to what we have gone through in the last 2 or so years in our efforts to try and reposition the politics of Edo State. They threw all sorts of trash at us, but by the grace of God, the verdict of the Supreme Court was just the final straw. Because if you imagine what we've gone through, all the challenges we faced, all the court cases in the last 2 years, we have won every one of them. And this is to the glory of God. We will not say it is by our own doing. It is the Lord that has led us through all of these challenges and travels. But I believe what's most important is what is the meaning of this victory. For us, it's that we must rededicate ourselves to the work which we've started for Edo people. We cannot look back. We, at this time in the life of this country, face major critical challenges. And it's as if we knew we started repositioning Edo. And these were the people who were fighting us were the same people or factors that are holding this country back even at the national level. So for us in Edo, this victory means freedom, it means emancipation, it means for us that we must rededicate ourselves to our people, and that democracy is all about the people, not about individuals or godfathers. We've defeated the godfathers finally in Edo State, and we are now poised to take Edo to where it should be.
He say he dey surprised for the message wey he received from the APC candidate Pastor Iyamu and former APC party chairman Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, and sake of say he never seen any formal letter wey dem sign to that effect, he no go react as e be say na their character to play politics with everything.
I find it strange and weird that I haven't seen original copies of letters signed by them. What we are seeing is all sorts of stuff in the social media which is characteristics of them. So I'll discountenance it. When I get original copies, signed copies of letters properly signed by them, then I will now react. But for now, I think it's in their character to play politics with everything.
Obaseki, when he dey talk to the party faithful for front of the Edo State House of Assembly complex, come reassure say im government go continue to work for the development of the state and the well-being of Edo people. Oga Governor say until we change our mindset and mentality, development no go fit happen. Say make we pray to God say wetin happen for Edo State go also happen for Naija. Im say the victory march na to thank Edo people as na God na im get the victory.
But unless we change that mindset, that mentality, say public money, your people money, when they pay as tax, now to work for the people, not to work for a few people. Unless we change that for this country, and then another move forward. We don't try for Edo, now we just need to pray to Almighty God so that what will happen for Edo, it will happen for that side.
The ogbonge people were present for the victory parade na Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, in Deputy Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Secretary to State Government Osarodion Oge Esquire, among others. Dis one na di ogbonge informate wetin MCTV carry come give una on top di koko for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.